Hi, my name's Shamira Gonzalez, and I'm going to teach you how to multiply complex numbers. Okay, let's start with an example. Example 8. We're going to do 3i multiplied by -5 plus 2i. Okay, well, this is simple. This is going back to your concept of when you would just picture I being an X, and it's the same thing. You're going to do 3i multiplied by -5 and 3i multiplied by positive 2i. So let's begin. When you multiply 3i by -5, you get -15i. And when you multiply 3i times positive 2i, you get positive 6i2. I get I to the second power because I'm multiplying an I by an I. So that's doubling it, so it's the second power. Remember that, you can't forget that. And now this I2, we know that I2 is equal to -1. So we can simplify that. We put -15i plus 6 times -1. And obviously 6 times -1 is -6. And you just plug in. So now you get -15i minus 6. And that will be your answer because you can't simplify the I by itself. It's only I to the second power that equals -1. Let's do another example, but this time with 2 numbers in each parenthesis. Let's do example B. Okay. We're gonna do -4 plus 5i multiplied by -4 minus 5i. With this one, it's like you're doing the FOIL method. -4 times -4 and -4 times -5i. And then positive 5i times -4 and positive 5i times -5i. -4 times -4 is -16. -4 times -5 is positive 20i. Positive 5i times -4 is -20i. And lastly, 5i times -5i is -25i2. Remember the I2, and also remember that I2 is equal to -1. So we can just plug that in. We have -16 plus 20i minus 20i minus 25 times -1, and that gives you positive 25. And here we can add like terms, the I and the I, both to the power of 1. So positive 20i minus 20i, they pretty much cancel out, you get 0. And here you have a -16. I mean a positive 16. So 16 plus 25 is 41, and that is your answer. Okay, well, that's everything for multiplying complex numbers. As you can see, it's very simple.